Hi, this is the VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just hold for a while the empty space on our home screen with a finger, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, the calendar widget. Get here two different types of the widget. To add them to your home screen, we should just hold it and drag it to the screen. Now we can see that we just successfully added to our home screen. Also, get one more just how we can just move the widgets between the screens, or just how we could create the new screens. We should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that you should make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.